My name is Pepi, and my source of happiness is the sea. I spent many years traveling across Asia, Africa, and Latin America, where I spent a lot of time kite surfing, connecting me with the sea both in extreme and calming ways. When I moved back to Finland after 23 years abroad, I found a new way to connect with the sea in the beautiful Finnish winter. Ice swimming was such a revelation to me because within less than a minute it completely de-stresses you and it empties your mind of all the stressful thoughts and relaxes your body. And it of course has many health benefits as well. So it helped me sleep better and I got sick a lot less. So I welcome you to come to Finland and to experience this extreme stress relief through ice swimming.